On today's program, I'm pleased to welcome back John Clendenning, the founder and CEO of Carpet Cleaner Marketing Masters. John, how's it going today?
Hey, things are good, Jeff. How are they there?
They're good, good. Thanks for joining us. Let's talk about the importance of website conversion fundamentals for companies. If you don't know much about website design and building and SEO, that could be confusing, but I think we're going to simplify it, right?
Yeah, it really, the key point around conversions, like we always talk about the three fundamentals of marketing or digital marketing and marketing in general. You want to increase the opportunities to get a lead from your ideal lead source, your ideal avatar. You want to increase your brand impressions and you want to increase your conversions. You do those three things and your business is exploding. So conversions is that third piece. And a lot of people don't think about what happens when somebody lands on your website or your landing pages, pay-per-click, things like that. You might have dedicated landing pages and they're not thought through on a conversion mentality. So ultimately, it doesn't matter how much traffic you drive to your website or a landing page. If those people go meh and go away, then you've lost money. You might even be driving them to go look at your competitors. Oh, I am interested in this service. I didn't like that guy's site. It didn't speak to me, didn't do the right things. So they move on to something else. And what you're really trying to do is just do something simple like build trust, be able to tell your unique selling proposition, your unique story, why they should choose you, and give them an immediate reason to take action. Do those three things, and your websites are compelling and conversion focused.
Okay, great overview. So let's get specific.
Yeah.
Own your own company. What can you do with your website to make that happen?
Yeah. So some of the cores are make it authentic. So don't have the baby lying on the carpet. We talk about the homeowner standing in knee-deep water with boots on, those kinds of things. The pictures that everybody use. You, your team, your equipment, your guys on doing the service. We've got great cameras on our cell phones these days. Videos and images can be taken well, or spend like $1,000 once and have a videographer, like a student from a university, whatever, follow around for a whole day and just take, really good pictures and videos, and that those assets will last a lifetime. So that plus a really strong guarantee. And again, that unique sales proposition. Why you over everybody else? If your website can show that authenticity, give them a really good guarantee, what you stand behind, and then why you're uniquely capable to handle their needs. You're 80% of the way there.
Okay, now I assume we need them to respond. Talk about call to actions. What do those look like?
Well, on a basic level, a call to action would be, get a free quote or, schedule your service now, right? So everywhere on the page, as soon as they scroll down on the page, you should remind them again what you want them to do. I don't care if you've got your phone number at the top or book here. As they scroll down, remind them. And every page you have on your website, service page, city page, things like that, should tell them what to do next. But you can also get a little bit more creative with that as well. So text us here for our easy booking process, right? So get them to start texting if you really like, if you want that versus a phone call in, or you have that conversation set up. So that two-way text setting up, or even download this cleaning guide, download this home care guide, join our newsletter list. Nobody ever will. Who wants a newsletter from a carpet cleaner, maid service, a flood restoration company? But, having a preparedness guide for your next, water damage or emergency, have emergency preparedness guide, or having a, again, a carpet cleaning care guide or a home care guide, things like that. People will download those if they start to trust you on the site. They'll download the guide, and now you can have a call to action built around that as well.
Okay, we have 45 seconds.
Yep.
Talk a little bit about addressing the needs and concerns of potential customers to boost conversion rates.
Big one is testimonials and reviews. We know those are important online on Google, but on your website as well. Every page should have testimonials about that service, carpet cleaning service testimonials, things like that. And then you should also have links out to your Angie's List, your Google, your Yelp reviews as well. So you have those kinds of things. And then maybe a video of the owner on every page. We do carpet cleaning. Here's how we do it. We do, this service. Here's how we do it. Those things really, really kind of tie all the dots together.